Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to drain and flush out your electric water heater. The very first thing you want to do is turn off the power to the water heater, either at the breaker box or the disconnect box right next to the water heater. Next, run your hose outside and connect this end to the drain. Then you want to grab a flathead and open up the valve. At this point, water should be constantly pumping through the water heater, clearing any debris that might be sitting at the bottom of that tank. Once the water runs clear, you can set it back down and go back inside to the water heater. Find the cold inlet valve and shut that off for now. You'll notice that the water will most likely stop coming out of the hose. There's multiple ways to get the airlock out of the water heater. You could go to this relief valve here and slowly lift it up. I don't usually recommend doing that because with older water heaters, they can struggle to seal back up. So go to your nearest faucet and turn on the hot side. When the water starts coming out, you can let this run for maybe 10 minutes or you can do the entire tank. I recommend the older the tank, it probably would be better to drain the entire thing. Once the tank's done draining, you can shut the supply off and then you can take off the hose. There might be a little bit of water residual, so just be careful. Next, you want to slowly turn on the cold water supply to the water heater. Since you are using the hot side of your faucet, you're already one step ahead. The faucet is already bleeding all the air out of the tank that you just added while draining the tank. After some time, water will eventually come out of the faucet. Let this run for about a minute to get all of the air out of the water lines. And finally, you can turn the power back on to the water heater.